How to use your Expedia points. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Biban Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your Expedia points. Now, if you got enough Expedia points to make for the payment and you want to use it, then here is how you can use it. So you want to open up Expedia. Then what you want to do is you want to simply log into your account and then search for hotels, flights, rental cars, or excursions as you normally would. I'll just open up here. So I'll just see for stays. And then you can simply go ahead and look into particular hotel or room that you're wishing. So I'll just open up this cabin here, and you want to go ahead and try to book it, right? So you can see here, you want to open it up and you want to proceed to checkout. So to the reserve page and booking page, and there under payments you'll find the option to use your points as well. So I don't have enough points here, so you can see it's not showing up because I don't have any points. But once you have it, it'll show up here below your payment option page here that says use my points. So you can use that option to make your payment. So that is the way that you can use Expedia points. On the checkout page you'll find the option that says use my points. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.